Fruit salad spinners are a fun and easy way to prepare fresh fruit for any occasion. There are many products available to choose fruit salad spinners, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fruit salad spinners from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Large Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Green Salad Spinner is a must-have kitchen gadget for every individual or couple who loves to eat salads and fruits. This 3-quart capacity spinner allows you to wash and spin-dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables without removing the lid. You can add water and drain without moving the lid through the convenient opening on top. Additionally, it is perfect for rinsing berries and herbs, making this a versatile tool for your kitchen. Number 2. Full-Star Large Salad Spinner. Discover the Full-Star Salad Spinner, a revolutionary kitchen tool that simplifies your salad prep. With an easy one-hand pump mechanism, this spinner turns spinning into a swift and enjoyable experience. The secure and stable design prevents kitchen mishaps, ensuring safe and efficient spinning every time. Its large 6.3-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, and the compact storage design fits snugly in your cabinets. This versatile spinner also acts as a fruit washer, dryer, and veggie cleaner, catering to all your needs. Number 3. Aurocomb Salad Spinner Lettuce Dryer. The Aurocomb Salad Spinner, also known as the Aurocomb Spinner, is a convenient kitchen tool that makes preparing salads a breeze. With its quick push and one-handed operation, you can easily get the driest and crispest salads in seconds. The pump handle is so easy to press that even a child can use it effortlessly. The salad spinner is designed with a quick break button for immediate stop, saving you time. Its fully transparent design allows you to see if all the water has been drained, and it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The large size of the spinner makes it perfect for processing vegetables for the whole family at once. Additionally, it can be used as a fruit washer and a serving or mixing bowl. Overall, the Aurocomb Spinner is a versatile and convenient tool that will make your salad preparation a breeze. Number 4. Sustia Salad Spinner Large. The Sustia Salad Spinner is a versatile kitchen tool that combines washing, drying, and chopping all in one device. You can efficiently clean and prepare your vegetables, fruits, and even pasta, saving valuable time in the kitchen. Made from food-grade materials, this spinner ensures your family's health is a priority. The easy-to-clean design allows for quick disassembly, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, with a simple turn, you can dry your ingredients quickly, enhancing your cooking experience and making it more enjoyable. Number 5. Bridgii Salad Spinner. The Bridgii Salad Spinner makes preparing fresh salads a breeze. Simply load your greens into the spinner and turn the handle to quickly dry them, ensuring your salads are crisp and delicious. This versatile tool isn't limited to just salads. It's perfect for washing and drying berries and vegetables too. With a spacious 4.24-quart capacity, you can easily prepare salads for your family of 3 to 4. Plus, the non-slip base keeps it stable during use, allowing you to focus on creating healthy meals without any mess.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.